Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kipat ba iet kenjat bol Lashai ke Sngi ken pai kmat sha ka jing elak kai happening ke North East United Football Club Pyrshah ya ke Jamshedur Football Club ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium ha Shillong ha ka laipau trek uleber ha ka por nyu steng janmiet ha bakren bat kinong thok khubor u coach ke Neufc Juan Pedro Benali uloong baka kenhun ka pai kmat sha ka jing elak kai bat kirang elak kai kin rung sha ka madan da ka jing ngaus khem banra ya ka jing job Nakalang u coach ke Jamshedur Football Club u Khalid Jamil u loong baka jingele kai Lashai ke Sngi kan nong ka bapher bak lebak bat kan Nehru kan nusip jong ka kan hun ulapan pau ya ka jing kemen bat ka jing sautanat bandon ha Shillong ka jaka ka baiet bat kershan ya ka football ka North East United Football Club ka rung ha ka ne ka thup hadin bakala Ïakhun Southly ki jing Ïakhun klem sharem Pyrshah ya ka Jamshedur Football Club ulaban rap da ka baong baka nie ka Nehru ka jing Ïakhun playoff ka banding kong happening kini ki arliang mamla ha ka history jong ka ISL.
Yes, there will be one absent. Hamza is entered into that and is out, and the others everybody is ready.
So you've beaten Jamshedur twice. So are you hoping to do it third time around?
We're hoping to do it, but the past has nothing to do with this game. This is a quarterfinal. You know, it's one game. It's not a championship. It's not a league. It's very difficult. It's do or die. You know, it's difficult for both teams playing against a very good team. It is very, very good season, and will not be easy. It will not be easy at all.
Zabaku, how confident are you to go to the semi-finals?
I think that as coaches, we will have a very tough game. They know how to play. They have their own style. So I think that if we want to be in the semi-final, we will have to work very hard. We have to play as a team, because if not, we will be in problems.
Coach, this is the fourth game you played. The first two was the losses. The third was a massive win. Do you think the players are starting to get used to the pitch here in Shillong?
You know, the pitches has nothing to do with the way of play or the lows and wins. Also, the other teams who won us here, they were not ready to play in the pitch. The pitch is very good. The little problem we found out is just under the grass is a little bit hard, then the stats doesn't stay very well. But we hope we can perform better. We know now how the pitch is, but the pitch has nothing to do. Really, the pitch has nothing to do. It's a very, very good grass. It's one of the best grass in India. You know, it's not an experience. Football teams, also Jamshedur, never played in grass like this. Mumbai won us, never played in grass like this. Bengaluru never played in grass like this and they won us. It's not an excuse. The excuse is not to do mistakes. Be ready, be focused. You have a chance, you need to score. If you see the game against Mumbai and against Bengaluru, you take out the two goals and you think we won 6 or 7-0. You know, but this is football. You get the chance, you need to score, you need to be very focused. As I just said, that Jamshedur has a very special style. We need to stop that their style and use ours. And in the end, the team who's more focused and really will get the game. You know, the problem is when we score first, other teams they open and will get more chances maybe to score. You'll be more comfortable. But the problem is when the other teams score first, and this not happen. I'm not talking only about Northeast, I'm talking about other teams. You know, you start pushing. If you score, it's okay, draw, fantastic. But if you don't score, you just start to open on the back, and it's more risk. This is why it's very important for us to be focused all the game, start very strong, and don't wait till the end.
captain. Obviously, Northeast United this time is a it's quite a strong team that people say that they might even go all the way, but of course this is a very important game. So how does it feel, leading this pack of players who are really, really good? And what is your mentality? How do you approach the game? How are you going to approach the game tomorrow? Is it going to be all attack, or are you going to sit back and then wait for the counter?
I think that we're preparing again for last 2 weeks. We will have, as well the season, it's always our own style. We know how to play them. As I told, it will be very tough, very difficult game. But I think that we are confident in ourselves. We have also the advantage for playing at home and with our supporters. I hope that we will qualify.
This is a very big match. With the win, the Northeast will go to where it's never been before, the semi-finals. So are there any such thing as being nervous or any player who's feeling maybe a little overwhelmed by the situation?
No, I think that both teams are in the same situation. I don't know if we will feel nervous, but for sure the other team will have. So we're in the same situations. It's not an excuse. We are football players. We play for living this kind of matches. So I think that when you will regard these games is the ones who you remember in the future. So we are ready.
We have 4 players from our squad who went to the national team. I'm proud of it. We hope more players there can go. They have a chance, more players. I think more the full team is shining, the more we see the players. That's normal. But that's not the aim only. The aim is really to play in the national team, not only to be in the bench. And everybody is working hard for it. Also the teammate for all those players, they're working hard because they know that they feel represented by those players, and it's important for us. It's very, very important. For the first time, I think in history, Northeast had 4 players in the national team, and that's thanks to everyone in the club. From nutrition, from administration, from staff, from legal staff, and the players. One player doesn't go alone to national team, which is good. He goes because his teammate, they're making him good. And this is what we must be proud of and looking forward.
Thank you, Coach.
Most last one. Of course, we won first 2 matches comprehensively, 5-0, 2-0 away. But how is this game different, and what message you have for the team?
As I said, it's totally different. It's totally different. Both teams want to win to pass the semi-final. We play at home. We have a little bit more pressure, we can say, from our crowd. We did very well the last month, and everybody's waiting for a lot from us. But we try to isolate ourselves from that. We are just focused. We think it's a final. There's no more game than this for us. As I say, it's the game. We need to go confident, doing our game plan, and trying to stop the rival. And I say Jamshedur is a very dangerous team, and we need to stop them from the first moment. If we do, we can succeed. But if we think that we won the other 2 games, it will be easy, we're mistaken. We will receive a big slap.
As a former coach of Northeast United, how does it feel coming back and playing a game against a team that you were very much a part of?
Yes, I've been very happy, and that's why I say always coming back here to play in Shillong especially. I feel very happy. I like this place, and it is very nice to play here, football atmosphere here.
And so from the past few games that the team has played against the Northeast, mean, both the teams were losses for Jamshedur, but how is it? How do you think it's going to be different this time?
Yes, this game is totally different. Either you win or you have to go back. So mentally we have to be strong. And we know that the last two games was not up to the mark. They played good and they deserved to win this game, the last two games. But this is a fresh for us. We must back and take responsibility and we must work hard.
And is the team at the full strength? Do you have any players?
Yes, we have two injuries. Lazar is not there, Pratik Chaudhary, and remaining everybody is available.
Thank you.
Nikhil, how's the mood in the bench? How's the mood in the with all the players? How's the atmosphere ahead of the match?
No, everyone is confident. Like we have tomorrow match, so preparation also very good, and all players very health and mentally good.
Talking about you coming from Jharkhand, you being the local boy, how important is this match for you specifically?
Yeah, as a local brother, for me it's very important because in Sirang is my first time, so I take good players from here.
Apart from this, how are you ahead for the match against Northeast?
Yeah, we go around tomorrow because no option otherwise if we lose.
When we came on here 2 days back, and Shillong is always really happy to be here, nice support, and ground also very good, stadium also looking very good. So we're looking forward to a positive result.
And of course, you had a bit of a break after the league, where we had the international window. So, how much that break has helped you in recalibrating, in recharging the batteries?
Yes, talking about the break, it is a needful break. It is very effective break. We have taken good break. We gave some leverage. Players who have an injury, they also bounce back again. So it was a useful break for us.
And how much are you looking forward to playing the game?
Yes, talking about this is a totally different game. We must think positive and there is no way we won't die this game.